Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Catboy from PJ Masks. So let's get started. To draw this cute superhero, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to start and draw a big curve going up and come right back down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So I'm going to come right across about right here and do the same thing. Nice and high, up and down and connect. Now that we have these two big curves in, let's go ahead and inside we're going to draw a big circle. So about right here, just going to go ahead and draw a big circle right in this area. And same thing here. Maybe a little bit more towards the bottom and towards the center. So now that we have that circle in, I'm going to come right here and draw another circle for a highlight. And then inside, I'll draw another circle right around it and shade this all in. And then when you color, everything over here is the color of his eyes. So same thing right here. So one small circle right here and then a big circle connected and shaded in. So for PJ you would color this part blue. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to come, let's see here. We're going to come to the side where his eyes are. So come to the top, right? Well, actually, you know what? Sorry. Let's come to the bottom, a little bit easier. We're going to come to this bottom point and come out, say about this much. And same thing right here. So I'm basically going to start to draw kind of like a bottom of a U for his face. So let's bring this down. And bring this down. The reason I'm starting with his eyes is because I just want to make sure I have the right amount of space for his eyes. And then I'm going to come in here and just go ahead and draw a curve towards the center and go right back up. From there I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, so as if I'm drawing the bottom of a U, and same thing here. So I just started at this corner because I just wanted a little bit closer to make sure I don't go too far out. Then from there, let's come back and we're going to come about right here and I'm going to start with a curve. So this is kind of like his nose area and I'm going to bring a curve down under his eye and go up right there. Then in this little space, I'm going to come down. So same thing here, go up, come down, and then come in. And taper it in. Then let's draw a little curve right here for his nose, just lightly, and then let's give him a big smile. So about right here, and cap it off. There. So now we can go ahead and draw the rest of his face. So I'm going to bring this up nice and high. Just going to drag a point across because it's easier for my hand to come downwards. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the top. Do a big curve and connect. There. So then from there, let's come to this part right here and let's draw his brow. So right over his eye, I'm just going to draw a curve and thicken it up. So same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead and draw his ears. So let's say about in this area where it starts to curve, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve out and taper it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'll just drag this point across since I'm drawing pretty big and go up and come in. So then for some details, let's come to the center, and about right here, I'm going to draw a center stripe right in the center, and then a zigzag right here. Kind of like a lightning bolt. So same thing over here. And up. And then he has some more stripes over here. So I'll just draw 3 of them. And right here as well, around his eyes. So there's many ways you could have tackled his face when you're drawing it. You could have, first you could have just drawn your regular, just the bottom right here of the U, and then put in the eyes. But like I said, the reason I started with the eyes is because I just want to make sure that they're close together. And I'm going to come back over here and thicken this top curve to anchor the eyes a little bit better. So whatever is easiest for you. And after you draw the eyes, you can always come over underneath the eyes and start to draw this curved part. And then to make it easier for you to gauge how far to bring this curve down. But hopefully I've helped you draw the face, and that then now we can go ahead and draw the body. So let's come about right here. Center this curve, and here as well. And we're going to imagine kind of like where his armpits would be. So I'll say about right here and here. Give myself 2 points, and I'm going to bring this line down for his chest area. And let's bring this down all the way. So we're going to keep going a little bit wider. Bring down. And say about right here. I'm going to just give myself a slight curve right in the center. So this is his body. And from here, I'm going to start his legs. And let's bring this down more. So we're just going to bring this out. I'm getting a little bit thinner as we come down. So this continues almost straight, and this angles in. So then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and curve it a little bit for his foot and round it off and connect. So same thing on this side. It's a little bit easier. Now we have something to follow. So about right there, curve. And this goes all the way down. There. So then we have his body, and now for his arms. So let's come back right here where his armpit area is. We're going to bring out a curve, thicken it up, and about right here when his arms, because it's kind of bent, to be about in this area. So I'm going to bend it right there. And we're going to draw his hand to curve a little bit, angle, and then go right back up to connect. And then whatever the space right here, just have a little line. So same thing on this side. So we're going to angle a little bit and curve for that hero pose, right, for his arms. We're going to thicken this up, come in, and once again, put right here for his fist. So curve and curve, angle, and go ahead and connect. And then right here, just remember to add a little line. So then that is pretty much it for the body, since it's a bodysuit. Now for all the details, let's come back to the center right here, and I'm going to draw this logo, his symbol, I mean. So let's come right here, we draw a curve, then the ears, bring it down, just simplify it, and connect right towards the center and back up. And then we have these eyes, which is a curve. And then in the center is this little nose, and then we're going to connect it right back down to the center. And then I think there's some stripes right here as well. And here. There. And now for all the stripes. So I'm going to come right here and draw his foot first before I forget that. So I just add a curve right here. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and put in all the stripes. And this one towards the center, I just want to make sure I'm going towards the center. That's why I'm giving myself 2 points right there to draw this kind of lightning bolt shape once again. And one more. Okay, and then now we have the legs, so and so we just want to match the other side, and so I'm just going to come right across like that and do the same thing. And one last one. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Catboy here turned out from PJ Masks, and I helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.